Good afternoon. My name is Rebecca Lehman, and I am excited to take a minute to share with you today some math information that you are going to need as you work on a project at home. We are covering math and place value. So you are going to see a chart that looks just like this. All right, so you are going to see a column that says ones, tens, and hundreds. So you're going to use this chart to talk about what is a 1, what is a 10, what is a 100. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. A 1 is an individual one block. And so if we are talking about ones or a number in the ones place, we are going to be talking about a 1 block or a 1 cube. And that needs to go in the ones place. So if I said to you the number 5, that means we would put it in the 1 spot and we would put 5 ones. Now, this means we have 5 ones. Let's say I wanted to take this 5 and turn it into 25. Well, I have 5 ones, but then I need to use my 10 sticks. So these are 10 frames or 10 sticks, and I would need 2 10 frames. So here is 10, here is 20. Now, the number that I was trying to make is 25. So if you take a look, that means that we're going to count together. So here we go. We would say 10, 20. Now I'm going to go over to my ones and we are going to count on by one. So let's do that again. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And that is how you get the number 25. So if you take a look at this, that's what this chart is for. It's a very helpful tool to help children understand that this is ones, tens, hundreds. Now let's take a look at the hundreds. If you look, 100 is a big chunk like this. This is what 100 looks like. All right, so 100 would go underneath the hundreds column. So now, if we wanted to figure out how to create this number, we would say we have 100. You could say 2 tens, 5 ones. So now let's count this number out loud. 100, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can count on 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. That is why using these are so helpful. Now, you can also use this chart in another way. Students can use this chart to create a number. So if I gave a student the number 35, they would know that I have 5 ones, 3 tens. Now, this number would be 35. What I like to do with my students is to make sure, though, that they understand how to represent that number 35. So then what I will do is I will say, okay, now let's make the number. So we would say we have 10, 20, 30. Then we're going to count on 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And that is how it works. Thank you.